If you want to record sounds on POCO M8 5G, what you can do is you can go to the app drawer, and then we need to find the recorder app, which is pre-installed, and this is the app that I'm talking about. Once you open it, you will find this button, this circle at the bottom of the screen, which is used in order to start recording a new voice recording, of course, the new voice memo. So tap over here, grant all the permissions. There we go, and now we are recording a sound. We can also use marks over here, or bookmarks, I guess. We can pause the recording at any point and renew it if needed. And if you want to completely stop the recording, we can use this button at the bottom of the screen again. And there we go. We can of course play the recording back. We have some options at the bottom of the screen. We can see the marks that we created. Here we can also tap on marks in order to see the list of them with the timestamps. We can rename the recording and delete it. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.